Are you getting a memory full error in CapCut on your iPhone? Don't worry, this usually happens when your iPhone storage is almost full, or the app's cache takes up too much space. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut memory full error. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Clear app cache. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Clear Cache below. Then tap Confirm. And it's been cleared. Solution 2. Empty trash folder. Go to the CapCut app again. Then tap on Project tab below. After that, tap on Trash on the top. Then tap Select. Now select all the projects. Next, tap Delete. And then tap Delete again to confirm deletion. And your trash is empty. Now go ahead and try to edit again and see whether your CapCut is working or not. Solution 3. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete app again. Hope your memory full error is fixed by now. So, don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.